So you've got company coming and you've only got 30 minutes. You're kidding, right? Well, don't panic. I'll show you the 4 spaces that matter the most and the quick fixes that will make your guests feel instantly welcomed and at ease, and it will be okay. I'd run to the bathroom and put a fresh hand towel on the bar or on your rack. I would make sure there was toilet paper stocked, because nothing's more awkward or less welcoming than for your guest to have to text or holler to see if there's more toilet paper. The other thing I would do is I would quickly wipe down the sink and the toilet. Doesn't need a deep clean here, especially if it's being regularly maintained. Just a quick wipe down of the toilet is plenty. This will ensure the comfort of your guest. The entryway is super important as well. If you have coats hanging, shoes cluttered in the space, you could stack them, put them in the closet, clear at least one hook for your guests to hang their bag, their coat. Just makes them feel welcomed and at ease and easy for them to enter your space. The kitchen is the next space that I would do a check-in. I would make sure that the counters are clutter-free for the most part, or at least if maybe you have things going on, maybe you're making bread or going through some mail, you can stack that bunch of mail, you can tidy up the area, at least wipe down the counters, keep the dirty dishes in the sink rather than all over the counter. Just tidies up the space. You're not trying to get rid of the look that you're living there and things are happening, because that's reality, and I think that's comfortable for most people. But just spaces that are cluttered is the biggest thing, or dirty. We want to make sure that we're maintaining clean, tidy spaces. Nothing beats the smell of fresh coffee, am I right? You could just get a pot of coffee going when you're wiping down those counters in the kitchen, and have a couple of cups ready to go, or a small tray with sugared cream or honey or whatever you use ready to go for your guests. That's very welcoming for a guest to come in and be offered a cup of coffee or tea. The next important space is your living room, family room, gathering space, wherever it is you're going to sit down with your guest and chat a while. Would make sure that the pillows are fluffed, that there's a cozy throw blanket that they can use if they'd like to. Just creates a space that's warm and welcoming for them. And also, maybe you have laundry going on like I often do in my living room, right? We just dump the basket of laundry onto the couch. That's okay. That's a lived-in thing. But maybe while your guest is there, you could stick the clothes back into the basket, take it to a different room just to tidy the space. Remember, we're not trying to get rid of that lived-in feeling. We're just trying to tidy the space. There's no need to go around and do a deep clean or dusting, things like that. You're just trying to welcome someone into your space. They're there to see you, not to see your home on perfect display. Hospitality is about people, not perfection. These little details will make your guests feel cared for, even if the rest of your life is a little messy. In the next video, we'll look at how to welcome drop-by guests without all the stress.